Dr. Owen Brink with Appalachian Wellness, discussing the fact that addiction is truly a disease in every sense of the word.
Addiction is definitely disease. Our biology programs us to seek pleasure. Addiction is a disease of self-will run riot. Spiritual and social growth and maturation teach us to look out for the needs of others. This inherent conflict between good for us versus good for others is a bit like good versus evil that has plagued mankind since Adam and Eve. Addiction involves multiple human domains. Biology, medicine, of course, is the art of applied biology, psychology, sociology, and spirituality. Addiction, unlike anything else, any other disease that I've ever worked with, has a very strong spiritual component. This is the biopsychosocial spiritual, or BPSS, model used to describe the disease of addiction. Addiction can happen in many forms. Substances such as alcohol, drugs, food, behaviors, gambling, love and codependence, sex. The American Society for Addiction Medicine, ASAM, points that genetics contribute 50% of this chronic brain disease. Genes load the gun, and environmental exposure or using pulls the trigger. Nobody can choose their genetic makeup. We couldn't pick better parents and genes. Addiction treatment provides education that helps people to understand and accept their genetic predisposition. Recovery consists of recognizing and understanding one's genetic vulnerability and adapting their life to grow beyond the constraints of this disease. Homeostasis is the term used to refer to the tendency toward a relatively stable equilibrium between interdependent elements, especially as maintained by physiologic processes. If something happens in one area, a corresponding change to balance the new system will happen elsewhere. Everyone has their own unique normal balance. Communication is essential to health. Our brain is constantly communicating externally with the senses of sight, smell, taste, hearing, touch, voice. Internally, our brain communicates through nerve cells called neurons that connect different areas of the brain to one another.